Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today's video is about a messenger app. It's WhatsApp alternative named as Zangi Messenger. It's safe and secure and even work on low connections. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search for the app Zangi Messenger. Here is the app. Install this app. Let's see some of the features of this app. Zangi is the safest and most reliable free messaging application that works everywhere. Enjoy HD video calls, clear audio, full end-to-end encryption, makes calling and messaging friends, family or work colleagues truly secure. Uncompromising security, the lowest data consumption on the market, easy to use interface. Why use Zangi? Make free HD audio and video calls with relatively poor 2G edge internet connection. Enjoy free HD calls, chats, turn on low data usage. Enjoy your calls up to 7 minutes while using 1 MB of internet. Lightning fast speed. Share memorable photos, videos, files and location with one touch. Advantage for left-hand users. Personalize your messaging with emojis and stickers. App is installed now. Open it. Next. Next. Put your number here and confirm it. After confirmation, it will ask for access. Give the access. Put your first name and last name here. And here is the app. Start conversation by putting name or number of the recipient. Calls. Keypad. Settings. Low data usage. Balance. If you want to call mobile or landline numbers. Personal message. Put emojis here. Different emojis are available. You can add more. Go back. Stickers. These are the featured. And here are other stickers. You can add them also. Chats. Setting for chats. Privacy. Show online status. Show when I am typing. Notifications. Change notification settings from here. Data storage. Keep media. Cache usage. Text size. Change the text size from here. Change the language. Call forwarding. Add new number. Here you can change the setting also. Chat background, orientation for left-handed. So these are some of the awesome features of this app. It's a secure app you can use for messaging and the best alternative for WhatsApp. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.